Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how to install TikTok Shop to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 desktop. You need to open Chrome browser and search for TikTok Shop. Click on this link. Sign up or logged into your TikTok Shop with phone number or email. When you open your profile, then click on these three dots. Scroll down to the cast, save and share. Then move the cursor to the install page as app. Click on this button. Edit the name. Edit the name is a TikTok shop and then click on this button install. If you want to add a TikTok shop to your Windows taskbar, click on yes. If you don't like, click no. Close this window. I will check and open the TikTok shop from desktop. Already done. Open it. This is the TikTok shop added to your desktop. Thanks for watching.